Hello, and thank you for watching this particular video about the homework answer review. Again, as always, I'm here on the dashboard from the pop-up window, and I'm going to go to the left-hand side here and click on homework answer review. Now, if you've watched previous videos, you'll know that after you take a PT, a placement test, you get the weak area list to pop up. And just a reminder what the weak area list is, and there is another video for this. It's essentially all the questions you got wrong on that particular test. So you can see a lot of information. Again, the test I took that it was on, the categories that we rank all the questions on. And again, for WAL, these are answering the questions you got wrong from the tests. Now, for the homework answer review, the HAR, it's the same idea, but it's only for the homework questions. So after you've gone through your daily homeworks, again, DO2, DO1, those are the homeworks that you get each and every time you come to class. As you do them and you go through them, you're going to get a score the first time through. You can see here, I got 76% the first time through. And this is just for the reading section. What I can do now is go back and work on the questions that I got wrong on the homework again, with the idea being that I want to be able to get the answer right the second time. Again, taking my time, there's no timer here or anything along those lines. So a few things about the homework answer review. You can see, again, the homework assignment that this came from. So this particular one came from homework day 2, section 1 for reading, and we have writing in the math sections as well. It shows the category, and remember what we've done is we've set categories for every single question on the SAT so that you're able to see what you are weak in. In this particular one, this category is evidence for questions in literature, and these codes are what we use to kind of identify them. And the outbreak over here is simply the number of questions I got wrong in this particular category. So from this homework, in that category, I got 2 questions wrong, and you can see them right here. All right, so when you are working on the homeworks, you can always click on the second chance in the homework section, or another thing you can do, again, is to come here, where you'll be able to click on those links, give them a second shot. And if you get it right, you'll get a green check. If you get them wrong, you'll get a red X. And if you get them wrong, you're going to want to check out the answer explanation to see why you got it wrong. So that you can have a better understanding of what's going on. So again, if I go to my dashboard and I were to go to homework in the scoreboard, I would be able to click on WAQ here, which would allow me to go through all of the wrong answers that I got, or all the wrong questions, I should say, that I got. But if you want to go through them individually and not have to go through all of them at a time, that's where the homework answer review is going to come into play here. And the big difference between the homework answer review and the WAL, the weak area list, the WAL has 2 requirements, right? Remember, you need to have a certain score on each particular section, 200 or higher. And you also need to complete the IMS questions with an 80% or higher in order to access the question on the WAL. Whereas on the homework answer review, there are no requirements. All right, so you don't have to score a certain number or anything like that. Once you've completed the homework, these will be available. Great. I hope this has kind of shown you how the homework answer review works, the second chance at getting those homework questions right. Thank you for watching.